Guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna dive into the world of anime aesthetics. I decided to make this tutorial because I can do whatever I want, I guess. Well, as you can see on my canvas, we have Tanjiro over there. He's gonna be my model for today. And yes, we are gonna be making use of rendered images. So right now we are gonna glitch this image to give it the aesthetic vibes. To do that, you duplicate the layer by clicking Ctrl J, go into blending options, and turning off the red color channel. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, hit OK. So on that same layer, which is on top, you move it left or right. You can use your arrow key. Just shift it a bit. There you go. Then duplicate the layer again. Repeat the same stuff. Go to blending options, but this time turn on the red channels and turn off the blue and green channel. Now move that layer the opposite direction. Now we'll merge the layers by clicking the top layer and holding shift and clicking the bottom layer. We can hit Ctrl E or go into merge layers over there. Next we'll create a color overlay on top the model by duplicating the layer, going to the top layer, hitting blending options and going to color overlay. While color overlay is selected, advise you use pink or purple and turn down the opacity a bit to bring out that aesthetic vibe. You can also reduce the opacity of the main layer. Just have fun. And if you're new here, you should consider liking and subscribing. It helps grow my channel. Select the rectangle tool next and draw a rectangle over the eye. Now holding Ctrl or the command key, you can distort the edges of the rectangle to make it fit perfectly on the model. You can either use this or right click and hit skew or distort. We're also gonna add a glitch effect to the rectangle. So duplicate it, blending option, turn off the color channel, move it anyhow you want, go crazy with that stuff. Next, I group all the layers so they can look neat. I also gave them names. Yes, I did name them. Next, I selected the text, copied the name, and pasted it on the rectangle. I'll probably leave a link in description to download the font I use here. I scaled the name, positioned it properly. You should know how to do that. Now add a glitch effect to your text. Same way, you duplicate that layer, go to blending options, turn off red channel, then move it. Do it again, just like that. I also grouped the text together and named it text. Next, we'll merge all the grouped layers and duplicate it. While the top layer is selected, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Add a little Gaussian Blur. Select your eraser tool next. Reduce the opacity a bit and clean the top layer which you applied the Gaussian blur. Don't just play around with it. For my background, I took colors from the photo. I made a square behind our model. I used some special brushes next. With the help of colors from the photo, I played around our canvas.
Doesn't matter how much I mess up, nothing but the heartbeat in my chest.
So yeah, we're pretty much done here. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and turning on my post notifications. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.
Be surrounded, salvation's hero, or a wise devout believer, heir to the King's throne.